Hi, in this video today we're going to show you how to dismantle the main parts of your Bosch oven if you want to clean it. Now this is a new oven, so it's going to come apart a little bit easier than your one if it's got quite a few years worth of use. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the rails here because they will need cleaning. We're going to be taking the door off because your hinges might need cleaning, and we're going to be taking the glass off here, and it will give you access to the underneath because after use you might find that even the inside of this pane and also this pane is dirty. We've got an old bit of carpet on the floor because we're going to be taking the door off, and it will just save damage in the floor, and also it's a bit of protection for the actual oven door itself. So to begin with, we're going to take the complete door off, and that will give us easier access to the rails on the inside. So here we go. Now we've just got the oven light on purely, you don't have to do this, purely to make it easier to see for the video. Now if you have a look at the hinges here, there's a little safety catch just here that you just have to fold back. And we have to do the same on this one here. And then you need to lift the door up. And then you have to lift the whole thing up a little bit and out. Like so. And it's these bits here that actually lock in to these bits here. So we're going to come back to the door in a bit. We're now going to worry about the rails. So we're just going to take out the tray. Now with these rails, they're held in here and here, but it's slightly different. The front one you need to lift up and out. The back one you need to lift forward and out. So the same on both sides, up and out and forward and out. So we're going to do the front first. So we're lifting it up this way and then out, and the back is forward and out. And then it's the same on this side here. Up and out and forward and out. And that will give you a nice opportunity to clean them here. Now we're going to take the glass off the door. Now to remove the glass, we've got to remove this plastic part at the top. And to remove the plastic part at the top, we need to push in here. So you push in here and this releases it from this little bit here. And also the same on this side here. So we're going to start over here. So you have to push it in and lift it up at the same time. Again, remember this is new. It's going to be harder if there's a lot of grease on there. And that allows the whole plastic top section to be removed there. You can give that a good clean. And with the glass, it's held in just here and also here as well. So if you lift it up ever so slightly and gently pull it out. So now you have access to be able to clean both sides of this. And now if you have a look here, there's another piece of glass just here. And this will lift up from the top. It's just held in here and the other side. And now you can clean that as well, and it also gives you access to the actual oven door itself. So now we're going to pop it all back together. So that just guides through here and the other side and drops into place there. And with this, we want to put this part here and that part there into these bits. And make sure they're fully pushed home because you want to clear the bit of metal here. You don't want to drop it on the bit of metal because you might crack the glass. If you have a look there, you can see there's a couple of mil there and a couple mil gap just there as well. Now we're going to put the plastic cover back on. And it clicks back into place like so. So before we put the door back on, we're just going to put the rails back in. Now we're going to be putting them on. If you have a look, it's all straight, but there's a little bend just here. That's going to be on the bottom and the bend on the bottom there. So we're going to put the back one in first. Just put it in the hole at the front, and then it's going to push back that way. And with this one, it's going to go in the hole at the top, and then it's going to go down. So that is now home on both sides. And on this one, in the hole at the back and push it towards the back of the oven, and in the hole at the top and push it down like so, and that is now locked into place. Now it's time to put the door back in, and we just have to make sure that those little notches there that I showed you earlier go in here and the other side. And once they're located, it will allow you to lift the oven door down and put these little safety catches back in. There we go, now they're locked into place there, and everything's back to normal. So hopefully after watching the video you'll have a better idea how things come apart, so you can give your oven a good clean. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.